Hi guys, my name's Ben Fitzgerald and I have the privilege today of talking to you about an organization that is a relational organization that I'm so excited about. And the main reason I'm excited, I believe, is because heaven is excited about the future and the destiny of the continent of Europe that you and I are a part of. And so we've formed a group called the ESBS, Europe Shall Be Saved, and that group actually comprises not just of us, but it comprises of you. It's all the people all across the world that have a heart for this continent right now to meet Jesus Christ. And what a better time for it to meet the Lord with all the tumultuous things happening, with other different groups invading Europe, trying to bring terror and all these kind of things. We must focus on one thing primarily, that it is God's time for Europe, and even though things look dark in some places, His light will shine so bright, so great, and it will be happening not just through leaders, but through every believer that has a heart for Europe. So I would really encourage you, please join with us, join with our team in the esbs.org. You can go and sign up. We're praying and fasting right now. We're together for Jesus to touch this continent like never before. And I believe in the coming years, our vision for 100 million souls to meet Jesus in 10 years is absolutely possible. Of course, it's only possible if we do what other people would say we should do, which is to unite together. Other religions unite, other denominations unite. Why can't we, from all denominations, more than ever before on this 500th year anniversary, we need a new reformation, not one that divides us, but that brings us together for the sake of Europe being saved. And I believe that this is the time. If you look at all the prophets around the world right now, and especially in the last 5 years, they've been pointing, God saying it's Europe's time, God saying it's Europe's time. People that have never even been to this continent have been woken up with dreams and messaged me and messaged people on our team and on our Europe Shall Be Saved team. They've messaged us saying, God has told me to go and move to Europe, or God has spoken audibly to me that Europe shall be saved. I just received another dream 2 days ago from somebody who was in a stadium in Europe, and he woke up singing, and he'd never even heard the song or even heard the quote, Europe shall be saved. He was singing it in his sleep, because the Lord truly is moving on people all over the earth to believe that this continent can come back to its original roots, which were founded on Jesus Christ. Many of the flags in Europe have a cross on it, like Switzerland, or all the Scandinavian nations. Many nations in this continent alone were founded in the spreading of the gospel, and they took the gospel to the ends of the earth. It is time for us to bring the gospel back to where it was spread from, to come and love this continent like never before through Jesus, and bring the gospel through all of us together. It can't be one individual, it can't be one denomination, it has to be all denominations and all nations partnering together to see a massive harvest. Listen, if we don't take the ground, the enemy will take the ground. There's no neutral in the kingdom of God. It's either light or dark, it's either death or life, and we have the privilege of bringing the life of God to Europe in this time. Would you please join with us? Go to esbs.org and let's be a part of this thing together, man. Let's see Jesus rock Europe like a hurricane in this very hour for His glory alone, and together we believe Europe shall be saved and God can do it. We love you so much. We'll see you on there.